Dear children, in this video we are going to learn about a Shramadana campaign and good qualities that an ideal Buddhist child should possess. Let's learn about Shramadana campaign first. Shramadana means offering labor. Simply, it's cleaning a public place. For example, maybe a temple, school, hospital, library, or any other public place. Though people don't work for free, the participants won't charge for their labor in a Shramadana. When there is a Shramadana in a temple, children can do some reading, sweep the garden, clean the flower beds and flower pots, wash the flower altars, clean the baskets and cups that we use for offerings, while their parents trim the overgrown branches, trim grass, color wash the walls, repair the roof, and dig the drains. At the end, everyone can be happy by enjoying the beauty of the environment. According to Buddha's preachings, we may gain merits during day and night when we clean our environment like this. Now let's learn about practicing good qualities. Our first quality is being happy with what we have. Our parents love us more than themselves. Almost every time they sacrifice what they have on behalf of us. So we should be happy with what they provide for us and study well. Only studying well is not enough. We should love them a lot as they do for us. When we study happily, we can study more. Our second quality is how to identify a good friend. A good friend helps his friends when they are in need. If his friend does something wrong, he points it out to his friend and guides him to do the correct acts. A good friend stays with his friend in both friend's happiness and sadness. He helps for his friend's success. He feels happy by seeing his friend's success, and he feels sad when his friend is in a trouble. Our third quality is speaking out the truth. Speaking truth is a wholesome act. Everyone loves those who speak out the truth. When observing 5 precepts, we promise to speak truth by reciting Musavada Vedamani Sikkhapadan Samadhiyami. Our fourth quality is speaking out pleasant words. When we do a mistake or something wrong, we can say sorry. To get someone's permission, we can say, excuse me. To be grateful to someone, we can say thank you. When someone thanks us, we can say, you are welcome. When leaving, you can bless the other person by saying, may the Noble Triple Gem bless you. As an ideal Buddhist child. Or you can simply say, it's nice to meet you and see you later. Whenever you meet someone, you can greet the person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the period of time. If you speak pleasant words and pleasant terms, everyone will love to be with you. The pleasant terms that you speak may help you to earn so many friends. So let's intend to speak pleasant words and pleasant terms. Thank you for watching.